Hello girls, I'm Ruchita and you're watching FOMO, Passion on My Own. Sometime back, I had reviewed the Philips Air Straightener and some of you had asked me to review a flat iron. So I picked up another one from Philips which is called the Philips Selfie Straightener. Now before I even begin with the review, I think I have to give it to Philips for coming up with such interesting names for products like the Air Straightener, the Selfie Straightener. You're getting the drift, right? I hadn't picked up a flat iron in a very long time because I was using my old straighteners which are really bulky. So what really attracted me to this product is the fact that it's so slim and compact, and it's ideal for someone like me because I have to carry my styling tools to shoots. The iron has a black body and a pink ceramic coating and it heats up really quick. 60 seconds is what is mentioned on the box, but I think it's even lesser than that. Also, a good part about it is that it cools down also very quickly, so you can wrap it up almost immediately after use. It's very easy to operate with this on and off button that's there over here, and it heats up to 210 degrees Celsius, which is I think the perfect styling temperature. Now coming to my experience with the product, I've been using this flat iron for about 2 weeks and I'm quite happy with the results. Firstly because it keeps my hair straight and manageable throughout the day. Also because it has these round edges, I can create waves and curls very easily. So it's a multi-purpose product. Now because it has these small iron blades, you can easily style your bangs, which can pose a little bit of difficulty when it comes to other flat irons because they have these bigger blades. But then again, because the blades are small, you will have to take small sections of your hair and it can make the entire ironing process a tad bit time consuming. Also, another drawback I would say is it doesn't really have a heat setting. Not that it has really heated up and burnt my hair because I've been using it for over 2 weeks now. But I think with a heat setting I would get a little bit of more control. Overall, I think it's a good product because it's quite compact and you can easily do your curls also with it. It's priced at 1195, which I think is quite affordable. Our FOMO rating for the Philips Selfie Straightener is 4 on 5. So ladies, that's it from my end. If you want my opinion on any other products, do let me know in the comments below. And for more videos from me, subscribe to FOMO, Passion on My Own. Bye!